Hey, it's Melody Moser at NextHome Navigator, and today I'm going to be going over the real estate statistics statewide in Utah and the counties that we serve. I'll be pointing out the numbers that stand out in each area, and if you'd like to have an in-depth conversation with any of our real estate agents, check the description below. We've got the contact information for you there. Okay, let's start with Utah. Check this out. What stands out on this one is in 2021, we sold at 1% over the original list price, and in December 2022, buyers are getting a 7% discount, selling at 93% of original list price. In Salt Lake County, 750 homes sold in December 2022, and that is down from 1,508 sold in December 2021. Now that's a staggering, almost half? Less houses are selling in 2022. In Utah County, we notice that in December 2021, houses were selling at 102% of original list price, and in December 2022, that number is down to 93% of original list to sell price. What that means for buyers is even though they see a listing that's priced at $500,000, they're able to negotiate that price down at approximately 7% off of the original list price. In Tooele County, this one is one of my favorites. Check this out. In 2022, 446 homes are currently active and under contract, and in 2021, they only had 279 active and under contract in December. And in Davis County, the number that stands out to me again is December 2021. Houses were selling at 100% of the original list price. So whatever the seller was asking, they got that price. Now in December 2022, they're getting a whopping 9% off of the original list price. So houses are selling at 91% of original list price. Okay, next up is Weber County. The number that we want to look at here is again the active listings in 2022, 977. In 2021, 562. Looks like we have a lot more competition in 2022. Box Elder County. This one is really always interesting to me because Box Elder County doesn't have very many homes to sell. They only sold 31 homes in December 2022. That is down again by about half because in December 2021, they sold 78. Cache County is my alma mater. Check out the inventory. In 2022, we had 351 houses that were active and under contract, and in 2021, that's down to 199. The other interesting numbers that I see is that median days on market is 52, and they sold 78 homes in December 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or want to talk more in depth with your agent, please check that description below again, and don't forget to subscribe. We are on the race to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much.